What's up, everyone? Eric Allen, founder of Planiversity, back here with you just on a quick tutorial on how to use our notes feature inside of Planiversity. Now, do keep in mind, notes is not something that's new to Planiversity. We've actually had this function since the beginning of the service, but one of the things that we did recently was we actually upgraded it just to have a little bit more visual appeal, as well as a little bit better functionality than the older version. If you were used to the older version, you might have known that it was a little bit more plain than this and also had an explainer over here. But what we did was we got rid of that text just to make it easier on people and actually threw in an explainer video. So if at any point you want to know how to use this function, other than this YouTube video right here, you can just go ahead and once you're on this slide, click on the how to use notes explainer video and you'll see a little 23-second video pops up walking you through the steps on how to use it. Easy to close it out. Just click the little X up at the top right corner and you're good. Now, keep in mind with the notes, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, when you come here and there's not this already made note in here that I've made, you're just going to see the save, how to, back, skip, and finished buttons, but you're not going to see anything else, all right? But even so, it's really easy to start figuring out how to use. Again, you can use the explainer video, but right here where it says add note, you just click in there. You can add as many notes as you want. The only thing you have to keep in mind is when you add a lot of notes, it's going to translate into your plan at the end. So if you add 2 pages worth of notes, of course, that's what you're going to get. Or if you add a lot of note cards, you're going to have probably 2, maybe 3 pages of notes in the end, which is fine if that's what you're looking for. There's no cap on how many notes you can put in here. There's also no cap on the length of the note that you can put in here. So I've just gone ahead and I used a lorem ipsum generator, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in here, and you can see it's a long note. Once I've added my note and it's what I want, I just go ahead and click save right there, and it'll drop it into the card deck below. Now, if for any reason I want to continue to add to that, again, you can add to it. So let's see, testing this feature. And again, you can see once you click save, it's just going to drop it into the stack below. If I want to edit a note, I come down here. These are pretty universal buttons, but the one on the right with the trash can is, of course, to delete your note. And the one on the left is the edit function. So if you want to edit one of your notes, it's pretty simple. You can also do it at the end of the service. One of the things that we do is before you export, you have the option to actually review your scheduled events, your notes, your plans, and that's where you can also edit that. So if you choose to do it here, it's pretty simple. Just click on the edit button. You'll see this note card pops up. Just go ahead and make the changes that you want to make. We'll just say we're going to change that from winter to rain jacket. Once I'm complete, I'll just select the update there. If I wanted to cancel and exit out of that edit feature, I just click the cancel, of course. And once I have everything done on this page that I want to do, pretty simple. I just click the finish next step. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.